Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing an epics tier list. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first one that we have is Blastar. I think that this one looks pretty cool. Definitely the flying animation for it is good. So I'm going to give it A tier. Next up, we have what I think is Aquadile or Daviday. I can't remember which one is which, but this one I think looks kind of bad, but not super bad. I think I'm going to give it a B, because it looks not as good as the original one, but it still looks alright. So now we have a Nebula. This one looks pretty cool. Not an S tier though. It kind of looks weird when it's walking. The attack animation is kind of weird, and for that reason, I'm going to give it an A. Next up, we have Shiver and Scorch. This one is just very good. I really like it. I'm going to give it an S because it just looks really cool with all of the colors and stuff. And yeah, the tail looks cool. I like how they included having fur. The whole thing just looks cool. And then we have Arcturion, which looks absolutely garbage. F tier. So this thing looks like it looks like a beaver or a badger. It doesn't look like a bear. It looks weird. It's too big. Its arms and stuff, it just looks really weird. Next up, we have Eclipse, which I'm also going to give an A along with Nebula. This one doesn't look great, or it does look good, but its running animation looks weird. That's all I gotta say about it. And then we have Mag Mayhem. Mag Mayhem looks pretty cool, but it's a B tier for me because its attack animation is kind of weird, and now that I think of it, I'm going to give it an A because there's not really anything bad about it except for I don't really like its attack animation. So now we have Titus, I think this is, because I've never used this one before. I've never cared about it. I think it's a very bad epic, if I recall. So I'm going to give it a D, because it kind of looks cool, but it's pretty weak and just not the greatest epic out there. But then we have Luma, which is my favorite epic. I'm going to give this an S all the way. It's just a really cool dragon, and that's all I got to say about it. Then we have Chillin' Char, which is another one that's really cool. I'm going to give this one an S along with Shiver and Scorch. Chillin' Char looks great. It's very powerful for it being a water, and its main attack is fire, so yeah. Next up, we have Magmischief. This one I'll give an S because it looks better than Mag Mayhem. So that's the only reason it's getting an S. It's basically the same thing except it looks better. So then we have Daviday, which I'm going to give an A. The colors look a lot better than Aquadile. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that one. So next up we have Beartic, I think. I don't even know the name of this anymore. Let me check. It's Arcturus. I was thinking of a Pokemon named Beartic. But this one looks a lot better than Arcturion down there. So Arcturus, I think I'm going to give an A. So then we have Floor Fox, which is probably my second favorite mythic, or just normal epic. I'm going to give this one an S. I love how it looks. It looks really cool when it's following you around. It's not. I guess it is alright. It's kind of powerful. So it's not super powerful. It's about the same as Chillin' Char, except it's a grass type, which makes it pretty much unusable in battle unless you or like battling against other people or like battling in the arena. So then we have our final one, which is Big Hex, which honestly, if I'm going to say it, it doesn't look as good as Blast Star. So I'm going to give it a B. It's about the same. I just don't like how it looks. But that is going to end up the video, I'm pretty sure. So make sure to like and subscribe, as I said in the beginning, so that we can get to 1K by the end of this month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.